the first question of our presentation. Number 31. The shaded region in the figure 2 is bounded by the curve x equal to 2y minus y square and y square minus 4y equal to x. Based on the question, the figure 1 shows it doesn't give coordinate in this figure. Then the question, find the coordinate of A and B. First, take the info, take the function given, x equal to 2y minus y square, and then another one, x equal to y square minus 4y. I use the method for fy and gy, fy for the top function and gy for the bottom function. So, y square minus 4y equal 2y minus y square. I move all to the left side, then become 2y square minus 6y equal to 0. We can simplify it. Y square minus 3y equal to 0. Then we factorize y minus 3 equal to 0. Then the answer of y we get 0 and 3. To get answer of x, just take the answer of y and use it on the function x. X equal to 2 times 3 minus 3 power of 2. 6 minus 9, and then the final answer is negative 3. Based on the answer we get from the y and x, we can get the coordinate for A equal to 0, 0, B negative 3 and 3. The next question, find the region of the shaded region. In generally, area equal to this symbol y for B and y for A, the top function minus the bottom function for dx. I want to use for dy, and then I just go through the integration one. Okay, y square minus y power of 3 over 3 minus y power of 3 over 3 minus 2y square. We then expand it, it become y square minus y power of 3 over 3 minus y power of 3 over 3 plus 2y square. Then we use the 3 into the y to get the next answer. Do not use for 0, because when we use 0, anytime anything we divide or multiply with 0 still get 0. Then 3 power of 2 minus 3 power of 3 over 3 minus 3 power of 3 over 3, then plus 2 multiplied by 3 square. Then the answer will get 9 minus 9 minus 9 plus 8. The final answer will get 9 unit square. That's all from me. Thank you.
Okay, now let's look at this question. Okay, consider the shaded region R is enclosed by the curves y equal to 2x squared minus x cubed and x is as shown in figure 3. Okay, find the value of the solid by using washer method when the shaded region R is revolved about the line y equal to 3. Okay, so line y equal to 3, okay, which is here. Y equal to 3. Okay, Now, okay, usually we use this formula, but now in this case, since the revolutional axis is the upper axis which is at the y-axis, now we are going to use this formula instead. Okay, now let us identify the outer boundary, outer layer. Okay, now the outer layer is here, which is y equal to 0. Okay, then the inner layer is this, y equal to 2x squared minus x cubed. Okay, now the upper boundary. The upper boundary is 1 and 2. Okay. Okay, now substituting in this equation. Okay, now volume equal to pi, upper boundary, lower boundary minus the revolutional axis, new axis which is 3, minus outer layer square minus 3 minus inner layer square dx. Okay, substituting in the equation. Okay, 3 minus 0 which is y0 is because our outer layer is 0. Okay, then we are substituting into the second equation, into the second terms, the inner layer. Okay, okay, after that we simplify everything we can do. Okay, now after that, for this case we need to expand it. Okay, now after we expand it, make sure do not wrong when expanding it. Okay, okay, now let us simplify the equation, which is we can get a 9 by 9. Okay, then we start to integrating the equation. Okay, here, okay, sorry, this is supposed to be 6. And okay, after we done integration, if we can simplify it, okay, so we simplify. Okay, so it becomes 3 2 2 3 1 4. Okay, since we have done simplifying, okay, now we can substitute it with upper boundary and lower boundary. Okay, make sure when we are substituting, make sure we done it very carefully, and then when we pressing the calculator, make sure pressing it also carefully because we don't want any misleading answer. Okay, after that, subtracting the equation. Okay, since it comes with pi, so we must put the pi together, and in this case we are looking for volume, and do not forget to put unit cube. Okay, that's all for this question. Thank you.
So question number 33. The region R in figure 3 is bounded by the curve x equal to y square minus 4y plus 2 and the line x equal to y minus 2. Let's look at the first question. Find the coordinates of A and B. From the figure 3, we can see that the straight line and the parabola, they are merged together. Therefore, they have two intersection points, which are A and B, and that's what the question wants us to find out. How? We can use simultaneous equation, and that's how you get the coordinates. So second question, find the area of the shaded region. From the figure 3 we can see that it's a first case, which is cross section parallel to x-axis, which means it is in terms of y. the boundary is based on y-axis. So let's look here. The straight line will be the top region and the parabola will be the bottom region. Remember, if you can simplify, you need to simplify process here when you integrate it. After you've done integrated, you need to simplify if you can, and then substitute the upper bound and the lower bound. There you go, that's the answer. Don't forget the unit square. Why unit? Because the question does not specify which units to use, so we'll just use unit. So that's all for question 33. Thank you.
Okay, for the next question is the region W in figure 4 is bounded by the curve y equal to x2, the line x plus y equal to 6 and the y-axis. So as we can look here, the given graph of figure 4, we can look for the straight line. We get x plus y equal to 6 and the curve point is y equal to x2 and the plot are also given to 4 and also negative 3, 9. So the question is to find the weight, find the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region W is revolved about the x equal to negative 1 by using the shell method. Okay. As you can see here, I already stated the answer and also the formula for this question. Okay, the formula is volume V equal to 2 pi integrate A to B in a bracket x minus k in a bracket fx minus gx dx. Okay. So, as you can look for the formula, we need to find the value of k. Okay. So, how to find the value of k? So, we look back at the equation. They already stated the value of k, which is x equal to negative 1. Also for fx, we can look at the graph, which is the straight line, which is x plus y equal to 6. This is for fx, and for the gx, we can look for the curve point, yeah, which is y equal to x squared. Okay. From the formula, we can proceed the step, which is firstly we need to insert the value that we already find the value of k and fx and also gx. After we already insert the value and then we total up this part, which is x minus negative 1, we can get x plus 1, and then this part just leave it because we need to expand. After we expand, we got this, and after we cut it out, we get like this, and yeah, after that we need to do the derivative. After we've done this part, we need to substitute the integral of 0 and 2 into x from this part. Okay. Uh, as you can do, I didn't do the 0 part uh, because if I calculate it, if I substitute using 0 into x, it also have the same answer, which is 0. So I calculate it and I get 2 pi in a bracket 58 per 3, and the final answer is 76 per 3 pi unit cube. Yeah, that is the answer.
Okay, so next question is 36 to Roman. The question is, the region B in figure 2 is bound by the curve x equal y square plus 3. The line 2y equal x minus 11 and the x-axis. So this is the graph figure 2. The question of 2 Roman is, find the volume of the solid generated when the shaded region B is revolved about the line y equal minus 1 by using shell method. So B is the shaded region. This is my answer for 36 to Roman. This is the formula for the question. Volume equal 2 pi integrate a to b y minus k and then fy minus gy dy. Substitute the number. So what is k? K is minus 1. Y minus 1 equal to y plus 1. And then fy is y square plus 3 minus gy. Gy is 2y equal x minus 11. That means 2y plus 11. And then dy. So expand this. Then we get the answer after we expand this. Simplify the answer and we get y cubed minus y squared plus 12y plus 14 dy. And then we integrate the equation. We get this. And then substitute the upper bound and lower bound. The upper bound is 4 and then the lower bound is 0. Calculate this and multiply with 2. So the answer is 389 1 over 3 pi unit cube. So that's all from this question. Thank you.